Welcome to the Chastaine Law Office. If you've been accused of some sort of sexual misconduct, you need the right team on your side. These allegations are incredibly serious. There's really no more serious allegation that can be made against someone than some sort of child molest or some sort of sexual misconduct against an adult. And the consequences are huge. You could be required to register as a sex offender for the rest of your life. You could go to prison for years, maybe even decades. You could lose a professional license, access to your children, visitation. The list goes on and on. So it is really, really important that you take this seriously. If you're scared, well, that's good because you should be. There's no allegation that is easier to make and harder to defend. Now, there aren't a lot of lawyers who handle these cases, and of those lawyers, there's only a few that actually do this really well. I have been handling these kinds of cases for over 3 decades, and I've assembled a team of excellent lawyers, paralegals, and various experts that can really help in these sorts of situations, dealing with suggestive questioning, combating the experts that the district attorney is going to put on. We have nurses and forensic experts that can review the evidence. But a lot of times all there is a he said, she said, an allegation. And it's important that that be addressed properly as well. Okay, because you know that a lot of people, if the allegation is made, they will simply believe the accuser. All right, so there's a lot that's going on here, and it's very, very important that you get the right team in place. And even if you haven't been charged, maybe even more importantly, if you haven't been charged, but you believe that there's an allegation out there or something is stirring, you need to come on in because there are things that we can do to help that might be able to prevent you from being charged. If you have been charged, you absolutely need our help because you know that you're dealing with bail and you're dealing with sentences that could impact the rest of your life. So this is what I'm going to recommend. Give us a call, and you're going to sit down with one of our team, and we're going to go over and do a strategy session with you. We're going to find out what you're concerned about, what's going on in your individual life, and what we can do to help you move to the next step. What are the things that you can do to protect yourself? What's the next step for you? I've written a book, How to Survive a Sexual Crime Allegation, and we'll give you a copy of this if you come in because there's great information in here about pretext calls, about experts, about how to pick a jury, things that will be important for you to know. Not that you're going to do this yourself because you absolutely do not want to represent yourself in these kinds of cases, but so that you understand the process and you can make some good decisions like never talk to the police in these cases. Never talk to the police in these kinds of cases. You need to have a lawyer at your side. So give us a call. Give us a call and we'll set up a strategy session. You'll meet with a team member and we'll find out what the next step is for you. We'll look forward to hearing from you.